Money comes to you in both expected and unexpected ways. Money comes to you from new and exciting ventures. You are surprised every day by the ways money now comes to you. You find money wherever you go today. Money comes to you in miraculous ways. Money seems to be showing up in your life more and more. You have money to spare. You have more money with each new day. You make money in your sleep. You find new and fun ways to make more money. Your creativity is endless. Your income is endless. You find many new ways to make more money. You now have multiple streams of passive income. New money-making ideas come to you now. You are open to new and exciting ways to make more money. Money is abundant in your life. You are open to more money. You are surprised and delighted by all the ways money now comes to you. You are now highly magnetic to money. You have fun making more and more money. You are open to new sources of income. You are open to all the ways money can now come to you. You are open to new sources of revenue. You are having fun creating new streams of income. You are fulfilling your life's purpose. You are enjoying the freedom money allows you. You are enjoying making money. You are enjoying your new and abundant life. Life is full of so many wonderful surprises. Life is full of so many exciting ways to make more money.